Hi there, welcome back to another video of Code with Mahdi YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to create a password generator using Python. Before starting this video, I will request you please subscribe my channel and like this video to watch more videos like this. So let's get started. First of all, I will import random library, and after this I will create one variable lower is equal to a, and can create one more variable, and in this variable I will give lower dot upper. After this, I will create numbers is equal to and signs also. I will start for loop for I in range. I will create one more variable key, and in this for loop I will create pwd variable, and I will use random library random dot choice method for creating a custom for creating a custom random number, and print pwd and end into this. So now you can see the program is created, and I can run this program. So there is one error. I can give one more variable number is equal to integer input, enter a length of password, and here I can write number. So now you can see the program is running successfully, and I will give 5. So now you can see the password is generated, and after that I will write 10. So now you can see. So this is a Python program. So bye bye.